Has this ever happened to you? Isn't it great that you'd never have to go through that again since Henry Ford invented the car? Boy, it would be nice if people could afford it. I wonder if there's something we could do to make cars cheaper. Oh wait, there is!
Won't do much for your gas mileage, but it'll save you 25% on tires, guaranteed.
With the all-new assembly line, your worries will be put to sleep. It slices, it dices, it julienne fries. To prove how great the assembly line is, I saw this bone in half. So you may be wondering, what does the assembly line do? Well, the normal assembly of a car by one person can take months. But thanks to the all-new assembly line, it can be done in a day. So how does it work? Well, when one worker does one small part of the job over and over again, it goes much faster.
I'm a deep-water sailor, just come from Hong Kong.
Anyway, hey, blow the man down.
If you give me some whiskey, I'll sing you a song.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
Now instead of taking months, your car can be built in a day. That's right, only a day. The assembly line, found worldwide.